with another video. This video is about my shaving routine. I have a very simple shaving routine that does not include more than 4 steps, and that is very easy and time saving as well. Do subscribe to my channel Beauty Made Easy to get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. Without any further ado, without any further talking, let's move on to the video. As you guys can see, there's quite a lot of hair growth on my arms, which has to be removed. The best time to shave is right after a shower and right before your bed. After a shower, your skin will be warm, moist and free of excess dirt. So for that, I am cleansing my skin with a body wash. It preps my skin for shaving, and it's the first and most important step for a clean shave. The second step is exfoliating. Exfoliating prior to shaving will help to prevent the razor from becoming overloaded with dead skin cells, which reduces its effectiveness. Basically, exfoliating is a serious pro tip for a close, clean shave. So for that, I am taking a sugar body scrub, massaging until the sugar melts completely. Rinse just with water, do not use soap here. So the prep is done. Now coming to the shaving part. I am using the Gillette Venus Breeze Razor for women. This razor has built-in soap bars so that you don't have to apply soap or body wash or a shaving cream. If you have a razor that doesn't come with a soap bar, you can use a body wash or a shaving cream for shaving. I am wetting my arms with water. Look at the direction of hair growth. Glide the razor against the direction of hair growth. Be little careful while shaving on fingers. Finish the entire arms and rinse with water. The last step to a shaving routine is applying an hydrating moisturizer. You can also use an aloe vera gel for this. This will prevent a flakiness and further drying. Okay, now wait. The video isn't over. Here are some do's and don'ts of shaving. Here are some of the do's. Always exfoliate before you shave. This is a serious pro tip. You can have a very clean shave when you exfoliate before shaving. Do shave at night because spraying deodorants on freshly shaven skin is the worst. So shave at night. By morning, they will be ready for action. If you are a woman, buy razors that are specifically made for you. This will have a better grip for shaving and also avoids accidental cuts. Here are some don'ts that you should follow while you shave. Do not leave the razor in the shower. Once done, dry off your razor and store it somewhere else. Do not dry shave. Either buy razors that has soap bars in it like I did, or apply a body wash or a shaving cream before you shave. Do not dry shave. This may lead to accidental cuts. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you want to know more about the Gillette Venus Breeze Razor, I will leave the link in the description box. I have done an exclusive unboxing, review and demo of the Gillette Venus Breeze Razor, which is currently my favorite razor. So do check it out, and especially if you are a beginner, do invest in this razor. The link is down in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye guys. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.